Starlink retract has started.
Stage 1 LOX float is complete. Stage 2 LOX float is complete.
Ground gas closeouts.
Falcon 9 is in startup.
Go for launch. T-minus 30 seconds and count. T-minus 15. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff.
SpaceX launched a Falcon 9 rocket early Thursday morning at 12:07 a.m. Eastern Time from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral, carrying 23 Starlink V2 mini satellites headed for the constellation.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Vehicle is supersonic. Max Q.
Impact chill has started. Main engine cutoff.
Stage
Impact.
separation confirmed.
Impact ignition.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Stage 1 entry burn. Stage 1 entry shutdown.
Stage 1 and Stage 2 FTS have saved.
Stage 1 transonic.
Stage 2 is in terminal guidance.
Stage 1 landing burn.
The first stage booster, which made its 9th flight to date, separated and later landed on the drone recovery ship. Just read the instructions.
Stage 1 landing leg deployed. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Impact shutdown.
Shortly after, the second stage reached nominal orbit insertion.
Nominal orbit insertion.
Another successful SpaceX launch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you track every SpaceX launch.